Reflect for a moment on what it actually might be like if your personal management situation were totally under control at all levels and at all times. What if you had completely clear mental space, with nothing pulling or pushing on you unproductively? What if you could dedicate fully 100% of your attention to whatever was at hand, at your own choosing, with no distraction? Want it be the best for you? Welcome back to HyLyt Productivity app. Today we are going to talk about this amazing book, Getting Things Done, by David Allen. Have you ever felt like even after doing everything to be productive, you are not doing better? This is very common, as we are human. Our brain is designed this way. As author says, your mind is for having ideas, not for holding them. The author has also proved that, relying on calendars and notes all time, not only in crisis time like these days, we can experience stress-free productivity. Consider calendars and note as your external brain. David has a small system, called Getting Things Done, GDT System. It has 3 steps: capturing, processing, reviewing. Capturing: whatever idea you have in your mind, keep noted down at any place in a raw format, before you forget it or take stress about it, as your mind cannot hold stuff. Processing: every day make time to process all the notes that you have created, whether it's doable or not. If yes, do it straight away. If not, then move it to maybe list, and then check on those stuff once a month. You can divide the actions in different category. Want to create a presentation or growth report, add it and list under project. If some actions are time specific, add it to under calendar list. You can divide it context specific, like actions at home, at office, etc. With HyLyt, you can use sources and tags to make your list perfectly bifurcated and easily accessible. You can add calendars and reminders. The best part: you can add a reminder on your colleague's device.
You must clarify exactly what your commitment is, and decide what you have to do, if anything, to make progress toward fulfilling it. You must use your mind to get things off your mind.
(3) Reviewing: every Friday go through the list and review them. Update your calendar with new tasks and remove the completed ones. Manage your action capturing list and keep reviewing it every week at the same time. This habit will give you to reach stress-free productivity. HyLyt helps you do complete GDT system on one single app. Don't wait, start your GDT system today with HyLyt. Hope you have a productive week. See you on HyLyt.